Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today we'll see about Palestrina double knot stitch. Now we'll start. Bring the thread through one point. Make a small stitch. Insert below the line and bring the needle above the line like this, a short stitch. And now pull the thread from bottom to top in the stitch once, and now you should insert the needle in between the two dots. Put the thread below the needle and pull over the thread like this. See, I will do the second stitch. Insert the needle below the line and bring it out above the line. Put the thread from bottom to top in the stitch. Insert the needle between the two stitches. Bring the thread below the needle and pull over. See, once again. Insert the needle below the line and bring it out above the line. Put the thread from bottom to top in the stitch and pull over once. Now bring the needle in between the two dots. Put the thread below the needle and pull over. See, it looks like a bead. This stitch is also known as twirling. Pull the thread from bottom to top once and then bring the needle in between the two dots. Put the thread below the needle and pull over. You have finished the next stitch. Again you repeat the stitch. This stitch is called Palestrina double knot stitch and it is also known as twirling. It looks like beads tied together. It's one of the prettiest stitch which I love the most. You can also work with beads in between the stitches. In between each stitch you can insert a bead and work. It will look very beautiful. One important thing you should remember while practicing this stitch is you should never pull the thread tightly. You should put these loose knots so that the stitches will look very pretty. It will look like beads. If you like this video, share with your friends. To finish it, you put the needle outside the knot. So we have finished this Palestrina double knot stitch, and this is the back view of the stitch. If you have missed my previous videos, please click on the links given in the description box. To learn more stitches, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.